Hello! In front of me I have MISFIT Vapor 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the NFC on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's find the connectivity option and tap on it. Here scroll down and find the NFC, select it. And right here we can turn on and off the NFC by tapping on the switch. To turn it off, tap on the switch until it becomes gray. It means that the NFC is disabled, and if you want to enable it, tap on the switch to flick it on, and the switch will change the color to orange, I believe. Come on. This is a bit wonky, as you can see. For some reason it doesn't want to turn on. Maybe I'm tapping wrong on it, but I'm pretty sure I am not. Come on. Let me re-enter the NFC menu. Okay, now I can tap on it. Okay, that was weird. But basically, to enable it, tap on the switch and it will become like colored and will have a color, and the option tap and pay on Google Play will appear at the bottom, which indicates that the NFC is enabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the NFC on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.